Uh-oh. What's happening over here? What'd you do to the bumper? You took it off? Why are your hands all dirty?
Cause my geek.
You were working on your Jeep?
No, Mama's geek.
Oh, Mama's Jeep?
Yeah.
What are we doing to Mama's Jeep?
Pull Mama's geek out.
We're gonna pull it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna put a what on it? What are we putting on Mama's Jeep?
No.
A winch.
Me?
Yeah. Yeah, well, we're waiting for the winch. So, guys, today is a Jeep vlog. Yes. I'm going to try to do a Jeep vlog with him helping me. What? You don't want me to record?
No.
Okay, well, let me just let them know what we're doing real quick, okay?
No.
It'll be 2 seconds.
No.
Okay, do you want to tell them?
No.
Okay, you tell them. What are we doing to Mama's Jeep? Say, we're putting a winch on Mama's Jeep. Why? Because Mama wants a winch. No specific reason why. So guys, so far, if you guys have a Rubicon, now the winch is on the way, I will show you, but the problem that we had, first of all, taking this bumper off was literally, I mean, a piece of cake. It was these bolts, nuts and bolts right here. Hey, stop yelling. Hold on. Okay, hold on. It was those nuts and bolts right there. The whole thing popped off. The reason why we had to take the winch off was because we had to access the 4 holes that are on this plate right here where the winch is going to mount. But the problem is this plastic piece right here was blocking it. So hold that plastic piece. Thank you, sir. Put it back. Let's put it up here. All right. So this plastic piece was sitting just like this and it was blocking the hole. So we're not really going to need this. This thing was only held on by those little push pins right here. So we pop these off. Go ahead, grab that side. Let's take it off. Grab it. Take it off. All right. Thanks, sir. And we're just going to throw that under there like that. And now we can put the bumper back on and mount the winch on and have access to the 4 holes right here where the winch is going to mount. So you ready to put this back on? All right. Pick it up. What? We're going to put it back on so we can get the winch on. All right. All right, hold on. Let me help you. All right, guys. So winch has arrived. It is Smitty built. It is the 9500 XRC. Oh, dude, what's your problem? I'm vlogging. So we got the bumper off. We're going to now get this bad boy installed in here. And well, I don't know. Try it out. Everything looks pretty cool. Everything matches up perfect with this bumper. So far so good. And bam, just like that, guys, the winch is installed. I know it's a little quick, but honestly, this thing, guys, was extremely easy to install, this Smitty built winch. And reason why I say it was easy, number one, because, well, everything fit perfect, nuts, bolts, everything just bolted right up. Now, I know a lot of you guys are asking me what kind of bumper this is. I do not know. I wish I can tell you guys, but as you guys know, I purchased this Jeep with this bumper and the rear bumper already attached. So I'm not sure what kind of bumper this is. But if you guys have a bumper that is similar to this is a Smitty built 9500. And this thing honestly was extremely easy. You know, everything, even wiring, bolting it, literally, this is pretty cool little magnet right there. But literally everything, this thing bolted up to the plate, just the 4 bolts that are down in there. You got one there, one there, one there, one there. This thing mounted, and then this piece right here literally just mounts right to it, just like that. Honestly, you know, I would say the hardest part is just going to be running the cables up to the battery. I mean, this is such an easy process to do. It's really didn't take no effort. The wiring, all this right here that you guys see, it came with it. Came with all the wires, came with all the connectors. I literally did not have to add or buy anything extra to install this winch. I would say, you know, even this part, so this part, installing it, all I did was have to add this bracket right here, drive this Allen in, and then it hooks right under here. Now, I'll probably put a little bead of clear silicone right here just to make sure, you know, nothing gets loose or anything. But other than that, on the bolts here. I put some silicone. As you guys know, this is my favorite stuff right here. The So Glad. I use this for everything. Why? Just because it prevents any rust, you know, anything from freezing, from gumming up. It's just, this product is amazing. And I put this Yes on everything. So other than that, guys, I mean, it was very, very simple. You know, somebody said, oh, good luck installing a winch. This thing is a nightmare. I don't know, man. This thing literally was not a nightmare. It was the easiest winch I've ever installed. Again, I don't install too many winches, but everything bolted up perfectly to this bumper. Now, you know, a lot of you guys, some of you guys told me, oh, go with the metal, go with the rope. You know, I didn't know really the difference, but I got a good deal on this 9500. There is one above it, the 12,000, but I mean, I don't think we're going to ever pull anything out, honestly, with this winch. This winch, we only really put this winch on here, well, because my wife wanted a winch on the Jeep. And I mean, if we do use this thing, I'll be surprised. But other than that, she just liked the look of the winch, so that's why we had to get her a winch. But stay tuned. We got lights coming in. We finally picked, well, I picked, she disagreed. She picked a new light, but we got headlights coming in. I'll show you guys that in the next upload. And we got lights coming for right here to there. We're also going to put 2 lights up here, one over there, one there. And then she wants the massive lights up top. I'll let you know what kind also. Then we got to figure out what to do with the rear. We got to put some new Toyo MT mutters on this thing. So it looks like the wife wants this Jeep ready for desert season. I plan on doing a bunch of stuff to the Ram also. So there is just a lot of stuff going on. But we got to get this thing done first because she's like, no, I need it done before desert season. And desert season is pretty dang close. As you guys know, the Can-Am, we're going to get ready to take this thing off of the jack stands, get the paddles on it. This garage is a mess. I mean, we got generators all over, dirt bikes all over. We got quads here, motorcycles in the other garage. I got to move this massive giant generator out of the way, build a house for this thing. As you guys know, this is the new generator that I purchased. This is to power up my house when we get a power outage, because I was using that little girl over there, but she's only a 4500 30 amp, which she does amazing. She's nice, quiet, but it didn't run, you know, a lot of things in the house. So that is a 50 amp 9400, and it's nice because it runs off of propane and regular, you know, premium fuel. So I like the propane because where I'm going to hook it up, I got 2 10-gallon propane bottles, so it's, you know, it's going to last me forever. But any of you guys, you know, all my Jeep guys out there that have installed this, and sorry I couldn't, you know, install it and record. I really want to do an install video for you on this, but me and my buddy that were installing, it's just so hard to hold the camera and help them pick this thing up. I cannot believe how heavy this bumper is with that winch on there. I mean, if my wife, you know, runs into somebody with this thing, that's not gonna be good. And you know, it's extremely heavy, so it's hard to record. But if you guys have any questions on how I installed this, you know, you can DM me. You guys know my Instagram is at DuramaxKing2500, or comment down below. I'll try to respond back to all the comments. But this thing, honestly, guys, was so easy. It was literally just plug and play. Honestly, you bolt it, run the wires. I mean, plug this part in right here, you know, for the hand part. It's already powered up, out, in. I mean, it's that easy. There's really no effort to this thing. And if there's anybody out there, guys, that's, you know, a winch master, knows some tips and tricks on how to keep this thing lasting forever and lasting good. You know, I know some of these things, a lot of them say make sure you use it, because a lot of people put a winch on their Jeep and never use their winch. And I heard that's the worst thing for these things, is not to be used. I heard the gears and sides need to stay lubricated, or else they will build up moisture, and you'll start having issues. But I am going to run a cover on this thing. So I'm going to look on the Smitty's website, see if I can get a nice cover for this, just for moisture and stuff. She's not going to really drive this in the rain, but just for when she does, because I'm sure she will, just to keep all the moisture out of this thing. And then also, this bumper was so easy to pull off. I'm actually going to finish putting the bumper on right now. So this bumper was literally, we got a bolt, 2 bolts, or 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there. and then another bolt comes on top, and then 2 bolts just hold this thing on tight right there, and that's it. And this whole bumper popped right off. So far, I would say, you know, for this Jeep, actually removing everything has been extremely easy. The only problem that I have had with this Jeep, if you guys saw the oil change I did on this, oh my goodness, what a nightmare. The oil change, guys, on this Jeep, I mean, you can see the story on the Instagram story that I posted. Again, it's at Duramax King 2500. The oil filter cap, I pretty much had to just cut it, destroy it, mutilate it. It was just a horrible, horrible thing. I cannot believe what a pain it was, but we fixed that problem. Again, whoever the hell did the oil change last on this, or when I bought it, it was just a complete, yeah, I'm not even gonna get involved in that. But I fixed it. We put a new cap on it, got the oil change cleaned up, or changed, and ready to go for the desert season. So, I don't know, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know for my Jeep guys out there, if you got any tips, tricks, what else I should get for these things. The wife wants to start, you know, really using this thing and taking it rock crawling and, you know, using this Jeep for what this Jeep is. As you guys know, she's been off-roading this thing and, you know, beating the crap out of this. So, luckily, so far everything is good, and the performance and the off-road on these Jeeps are incredible. I've never been a Jeep person until I bought one for her, and I gotta say, I'm very impressed, very happy, and I'm liking this Jeep. But thank you guys for watching this video. That's all I got for you today. And comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the winch, of the Jeep, you know, anything I should know about this stuff. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.